The first voyage. The Whale Island. After my father left, I spent all his wealth and was left with nothing. But I decided to work hard and earn all the wealth back. I decided to become a merchant. One day, I started a journey on a ship along with a few other traders. It was a smooth sail. The cool breeze, the smooth waves, I was enjoying my journey. We passed many islands on our way. After traveling for many days, we reached near an amusing island. The captain said, "Hey, look, an island!" Everyone was surprised to see the island. The island was actually a big resting whale on which trees had grown. The captain said, "We all should stop on this island and take some rest." We reached near the island and anchored our ship. All of us went on the island. We were hungry, so some of us started preparing food. And some decided to take rest. I decided to take a look around the island. So I started walking. Everything around was strange but beautiful. I walked for a long time and reached deep into the forest. There were a variety of insects flying around. This is all wonderful, but I think something is wrong. The land feels a bit different. Suddenly, everything around me started shaking. Oh my God, what is happening? Why is the land moving? I have to get back to the ship. I started running towards the ship. But I had come far away from the ship, deep inside the forest. The others who were preparing food also started shaking and moving. Captain said, "Why is the island moving? Something is wrong." Oh my God! This is not an island. It is a sleeping whale. We woke her up because of the fire. Let's get back to the ship. All of them ran and got inside the ship. They were so afraid that they did not bother to check if everyone had come back to the ship. They started the ship and tried to move away as quickly as they could. When they were a little away, they realized that it was not an island. It was actually a whale. The whale had been sleeping for a long time, so an entire forest had grown over it. The whale got up due to the fire we had started. It wanted to destroy the fire and so decided to get deep inside the water. I was running as fast as I could to catch the ship. But suddenly, the land started shaking heavily and I fell down. The whale started going under the water. It was taking down the entire forest along with it. I shouted to my friends, but it was of no use. They could not hear me as the ship had gone far away. I thought I was going to drown and die, but I decided to swim and save my life. I said to myself, I must not lose hope. I took help of a wooden log and decided to keep floating. I floated for several days. I was so tired that I fell asleep. When I woke up, I realized that I had reached a shore. I was hungry and thirsty. I decided to explore the shore and get some help. Suddenly, I saw a soldier riding on a royal horse. He was coming towards me. He stopped near me and said, "Who are you? I have never seen you here." I am not a thief. I am a sailor. I got lost and reached your island. I need your help. He gave me some food and water. He told me that he comes to the shore only a few times in a year to feed the king's horses. You are lucky that you met me. Come with me. I will take you to our king. I sat on another horse and he took me along with him. He walked through the small and beautiful kingdom and reached the king's palace. I narrated my entire story to the king. The king said, "The sea is full of surprises. You never know what will you come across. But don't worry, you are a brave man. I will ask my people to take good care of you. Oh Majesty, I am happy for your help, but I would be very grateful if you can give me some work to keep me engaged." The king said, "You can work on our port." I started living on the island. I kept accounts of the ships and goods coming and going from the port. I worked very hard every day. But I always used to wonder, how will I ever get back to Baghdad? Months passed. One day, the ship that had abandoned me came to the port. I immediately recognized the ship and the captain. "Oh, Captain, it's me, Sinbad." "Oh, yes, Sinbad, you are alive. I am so sorry. We abandoned you." "No problem, Captain. Will you please take me back to Baghdad?" "Sure, Sinbad." I went to the king and told him everything. As the king was very happy with my work and behavior, he decided to let me go. He gave me a lot of gold coins as a reward. I said goodbye to everyone and boarded the ship. We traveled for days to get back to Baghdad. I was happy to reach Baghdad and meet my family. This was the story of my first voyage. Did you enjoy it? Yes, Master. Are you ready for the second voyage? Yes, Master. Sinbad the sailor started narrating the second voyage.
I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.